for seniors to be living and
The phone is a slow here. Phone.
The department says the contractor has been working to resolve the.
It's a storm here now. Can't go home. I'm still here in New York because it's a very storm snow. Very strong. Yeah.
Here's to progress. We are fearless. We never sit.
Can see the houses in outside because the snow cover for the in the road. So if someone's going outside, it's gonna lose.
Their spirit fires us all.
Well, that's the amount of snow we had last night. There's a big blizzard blow through. Insane. It's up over the head of my truck out there. This is the neighbor's house. The neighbors are blowing snow now, trying to get his car out. We got a lot of snow. Well, this is the neighbor's car from last night of a snowstorm. We are completely buried in snow. Crazy day. Nice this morning, but yesterday was insane. This is the bank of snow that's behind our truck. Crazy. I don't think the equipment for highways has been up yet, so it's getting through the snow, but still lots to do yet. There's your co-worker coming down the road. Melissa, behind you.
Huh?